Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate all the support that you give me. You make this dark time a little bit brighter for me. Mitch McConnell said that the leaders of the House, Pelosi and Schumer, sent him a proposal secretly, and he sent it off to Steve Mnuchin, so Mnuchin can go to work trying to reach a compromise. Y'all, we can only hope that Steve Mnuchin can reach a compromise with this stimulus bill and a stimulus check for the people. But you know, Steve Mnuchin has been working with both sides for a long time. He hadn't been able to reach anything yet. And on the notion of the Mooch Man saying that Pelosi secretly sent him a package, just sounds a little fishy to me. Y'all let me know what you think about this. Was this the way it really happened? Did she send it secretly, not wanting no one to know? Or is this just the Mooch Man playing with the words again? Y'all, the fact that the Mooch Man said the bipartisan group of senators' proposal was a waste of time could be a good thing when it comes down to the stimulus check for the people. Because we know the White House wants a stimulus check. Most Republicans want a stimulus check. And Nancy Pelosi and Schumer wants a stimulus check, and most of the Democrats wants a stimulus check. So I believe it is still room to believe that we're going to get a stimulus check in this package before it's all said and done. We can only hope and pray for a stimulus check for the people that needs it the most. Y'all, if Nancy Pelosi bows down to the Mooch Man on no stimulus check after holding everyone up for so long, we could have had a stimulus check long ago if it wasn't for Nancy holding out for a bigger package. So if she bows down to him now, I feel like she will get a fury of backlash from the American people for costing everyone a stimulus check. Y'all let me know in the comments below what you think about that. I really believe there will be a stimulus check in this package. I mean, everybody wants it. Why would they not put it in there? And we know they've got the money from the Federal Reserve, that $455 billion, added to the small skinny bill. Well, now they back some of their original money out of the small skinny bill. So the numbers are just crazy. But I do believe we will get a stimulus check. I believe they're doing this on purpose to give them wiggle room, give them room to compromise. At the end of the day, I believe they're going to come back and say, okay, Nancy, we're going to put in the stimulus check in here just to appease her. But they've already made the numbers. They already know what the numbers are to make this happen. They're just holding out to make her feel like she did something. Y'all let me know what you think about this. Nothing is set in stone. If anybody says a stimulus check has been approved, a stimulus package has been approved, they're lying. Don't believe them. At the time of me recording this video, it has not been approved. Y'all, Jesus Christ will see us through this. Say a prayer every day and pray hard. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe. Please share my videos out. And please come back at 9 p.m. to watch our live stream. It's no politics there, no stimulus talk. We just have a lot of good fun. And please come back tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. I love you all. Ciao.